All right, y'all. Welcome back to the HPT Live Asian session where we crush the market on silver and gold, baby. Silver and gold all the way. All right. So give me a minute here. Let me give a little shout out link to everybody on my Discord just so they know that we're live because I have a feeling that we're about to be cleaning house tonight. Okay. Let's see here. Come over here. Boom. All right. Delete that one. Bam. Okay, cool. All right, let's get this money. Watching the 1 minute here, definitely silver's in a massive downtrend. All right, we're getting ridiculous selling, and it actually makes a lot of sense because we previously have had this crazy rally on silver. If I pull up the 1 hour, we got this wild rally, massive sell off. So we're looking to take advantage of this. Now, you want to be a little careful, all right? You don't just want to hop in this. You want to stay a little patient here. So I'm going to about the 2 minute. I got the 1 hour right here. Let's get some targets. Oh yeah, we're watching this. We are watching this on the 2 minute. This thing might sink. All right, let me log in here to my Top Step account. There it goes. Damn it. Dang it. Right before I could even hop in, love. Right before I could get in it, love. Look at this mega move. We're getting crazy, crazy selling here. It's all right, though. We're not going to rush it. We're just going to take our time and wait for opportunity. It looks like the selling is so aggressive, I guarantee you, if I whip out the 1 hour time frame or the 1 minute time frame, what are we going to see? Ready? Look, the 1 minute 20 showing it's getting respected pretty well. So we got this crazy downtrend. All right, let's stay a little patient. First thing I want to do is identify some RBIs and some GBIs. Okay, so when we look at this, I'm looking for green candles that were disrespected. Okay, these become our AOVs. All right, so the area of value is the area where the opportunity is going to be. All right, so let's see if we can get a pullback into that AOV for a possible scalp here on silver to the downside. Now, yesterday's session, I ran into some issues because I just wasn't taking profits the way that I should. So going into today, I just want to make sure that I'm aware of that, right? Look at this selling pressure we're getting on the 5. This is selling heavy right now. This is selling really good. Look at this. This is crazy selling. Crazy selling. Crazy selling. 1 minute. I mean, we could even scalp this 1 minute here. I need a better entry than that, though, right? For me to get into a trade, I want to at least be next to a moving average. I might not get it. I might be a little late to the party, but one thing I really don't like to do is chase things too much. Don't get me wrong, I'll chase. I will hop in. I will hop into stuff, but it's not really chasing, right? So if you are trading close to your moving average and you know exactly where to keep it, it's not chasing. Not at all. Look at this. Dang, look at this move down. Dude, we're tanking. This is tanking right now. Look at this. Look at this. All right, looking for a pullback into that 5. I'll even take advantage of a pullback into that. I'll hop in something small. Just staying patient. Staying a little patient here. I like the 5-minute time frame to the downside. I like all my moving averages. They look pretty good. I just want to make sure I'm a little bit closer. And for anybody that wants any more information, click those links below. Get involved with what HPT offers. We're a phenomenal trading community that has one goal: become the absolute best version of ourselves on and off the charts. Okay, to do that, we got to make ridiculous money. And to make ridiculous money, we trade silver. Asian session, baby. Asian. Got that clean break right there. This is on the 1 minute. I'm looking for some pullbacks. Something. Let's see here. Let's get this money. Sparky, what's up, stud? Got Sparky, one of my HPT veterans over here. All right, so once again, first thing I like to do is identify opportunity. Now, the way I do that is I do this. Green bar ignored. So that's an AOV. We got a very strong push out of it. I'm looking for a pullback to play short, okay? Potentially. We just closed back below that 9 DEMA, all right? So this blue line, okay, guys, this is called the 9 double exponential moving average, and it's what I use to measure healthy and unhealthy trends. This is a pretty healthy, violent move to the downside. I'm looking for a pullback into the 5 to get a scalping entry. I'm actually also going to look at gold. So let's whip out gold. Gold is also tanking right now, guys. Tanking. Gold is tanking. I'm looking at gold on my other chart. It's got a healthy 5-minute trend here on gold. I got a downside target on gold of 46.77. Silver. What's my downside target on silver? So my downside target on silver is gonna, oh my gosh, dude. Guys, this daily silver is tanking. Oh man, look at this thing. So let me get my downside targets correct, and then we can trade them. So I got 64. So I got it down here. I'll do it on Top Step. All right. So to plot downside targets, the way that I do it is I'm going to take this guy and I'm going to go, okay, we got a guy right here, right? We got a guy right here. And then we got another guy right here. So these are my downside targets right now. And look at this thing, dude. This thing's tanking. It's sinking. So now it's up to me to identify how I'm going to take price down there. And I may have missed the move. It may have been missed, right? Like right now, we're super far away from the 20. But I can't be ignorant to the fact that sellers are that aggressive, right? Look it. When we respect the 5 EMA, okay, this means this is aggressive, right? This is aggressive selling. So I need to become an aggressive trader to match it. Looks like we're coming into our first target. Dude, oh my God, guys, look at ES right now, too. We can't sleep on ES. I know y'all know how much I love silver, but ES also is sinking pretty well here. Look at this is, dude, look at this. This is tanking. Got a target right there on ES. This right here is critical, right? Breaking that is critical. Let's look at that 2-minute looks like here on ES. Looking for a 2-minute 20 retest for ES shorts. 2-minute 20 retest. Watching silver. Don't chase. Don't chase. Stay a little patient. Trust me. I want to get in this as much as you. All right. ES, we have ourselves an AOV. Getting very far away from the 20. But once again, if it's aggressive, it makes sense, right? Right now it's aggressive. Rip right into that AOV, start to sell. Look at that. Oh my Lord. All right, so I want to dip my beak in a little bit, you know. Got to get the beak wet. Got to dip the beak in. How we going to dip the beak in, love? Yes, cooking. Let's see what NQ looks like. NQ. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. Look at it. All right. Once again, same thing. We have ourselves an area of value right here. All right. That's a GBI. So there's definitely going to be some opportunity right there. Gold also selling off. Everything's selling off right now. People in Asia are going crazy. I actually seen some videos the other day. You guys probably seen them too. People in Asia were trying to like pull their money out of gold and they weren't actually letting them. It was quite interesting. All right, let's look at micro gold here real quick because this thing's falling off bad. And oh, so pretty nice bounce there off that 20. Didn't quite get it, but you see here we got a clean bounce here, right? It's great short play. Even the 1 minute, even in an aggressive market, the 1 minute is going to be respected, right? So like, trust me, guys. For the longest time, I stayed far away from 1 minute time frames and stuff like that. But you know, the thing is like don't completely write things off. All right, I'm watching this on a 1 minute on gold. Yeah, me too, Todd. I'm just getting on. But we're gonna make something of this. All right. Okay, ready? That looks like a fake out to the downside right there. A little bit. Let's watch gold. I'm also watching gold here as we retest the previous high. Okay, so this is the previous high of that 5 minute. I want to see what sellers do here. Look at this, dude. Look at this 5 minute 20. Look at the 5 minute 20. Jeez. All right, guys, let's get paid. Let's get some money. Let's get some money. Still, it's just way too extended for my liking. I got to be a little like I got to play off them moving averages. That's just how I roll. All right, 1 minute. Ready? I'm gonna try something super small here, just to wet the beak. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. This is, I don't know how I feel about this trade. It's just so extended. But I'm just gonna wet the beak here. We're just gonna wet the beak. It's super far. I mean, look at this, guys. Oh my God. This is definition here at chasing. I'll chase this a little bit. Let's see what we get. I'm gonna keep it super tight stop here. And honestly, guys, depending, I might scale out of this super quick to reduce risk, right? And once again, if I'm playing off the 1 minute, my stop's gonna be according to the 1 minute. Let's see if we can get something small here, just to wet the beak, right? Just to wet the beak. Want to wet the beak here a little bit. I'm looking to scale out only because I'm so extended on that 5 minute. I don't want to look at that though. Playing aggressive 1 minute here. Aggressive. Super aggressive. You're going to give me a scale? All right, so we scaled out 1. Let's lock in a little win right there. And let's see if this bad boy can continue. Once again, we're just trying to wet the beak. And, you know, I like doing stuff like this because it's uncomfortable, right? It's super uncomfortable trading the 1 minute. But I'm not going to completely, you know, write it off. It's super aggressive selling. Why not? You know what I'm saying? Like if the 1 minute 20, like, and guys, that's like what I constantly am preaching. If the 1 minute 20, hear me out. If it keeps getting respected, trade it. Like, who am I? Who am I to be like, oh no, that I don't like that time frame. Like, what? Like, we're clearly making money. So don't, I guess what I'm trying to say is just don't be the guy that, misses opportunity because he's just being a little ignorant. Right? That's another GBI right there. But yeah, we're very extended on larger time frames. But oh my God, look, all we're trying to do is take advantage of that aggressiveness, and it looks like it's working out pretty well. So let's see what happens here. Just it got to wet the beak a little bit. I told you it's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. And remember what I said though on the 5-minute, Todd? I was like, I want to see how price reacts as it's retesting the previous wick, right? So that's what kind of gave me the confidence here to enter in on this. Let's see what we get. I'm gonna keep the 1 minute 20 stop here, and while we're shorting that, I'm gonna watch a different. Let's pull this way down here. What's the daily telling me? Yo, you guys seen that? Look. Oh, she gone. She gone. She's gone, baby. She's gone. She's sinking. And what do we learn from this? If price is aggressive, trade aggressive. Right? Like, we're futures traders. We could get in and out. Right? Like, we could literally get in and out. Why not risk $54 to see if it's going to continue? Why not? We know the trend's healthy to the downside, right? Like, like when I hopped in this, I was like, yo, the 5-minute trend is healthy. And now look at it. This thing's sinking, bro. I hopped in with 2, scaled out quick. Now we're just taking a quick little win right here. Let's see where that downside target's at. I don't want to be shooting. We're actually right at a downside target. So let me. Dude, look at this thing, dude. This thing is sinking. Bro, I'm up $300 on this last con. You guys see this? I got to figure out downside target quick. This thing is sinking bad, bro. So I got a target there. Let's just change the name here. We're going to go target. Yo, guys, are you seeing this? Look at this. Dude, this thing is tanking. Look at this, bro. We're up 400 on 1 micro. Wow. I'm trying to like. All right, hold on. Let's just put the stop right there for now. 174. I'm trying to keep going to the daily here to get my next target. All right, next target's right here. So look, moral of the story is we were able to make $500 trading off the 1-minute 20. That's all I'm saying. Trading off the 1-minute 20, we were able to make 500 on this trade. And I mean, it's still going. I want to let this go a little bit. I want to let this go. Because our target is 46660. So I'm going to keep it right above the previous 2-minute. Seems to be working well. Let's see what happens. Let's see what we get. Todd, we just flipping coins over here, bro. That's it. We're just flipping coins. We just flipping coins, baby. Flipping coins. Flipping them. Flipping them. Flip the coin. Flip the coin. Brandon, what up, stud? What's up, brother? Glad you hopped on. Love seeing my team. We're just went in the beak a little bit. Just weighted coins, baby. That's it. Flip. Flip. Flip them. Flip them. I don't want to give too much back on this, but I do want to what's the 5-minute still looks really good, right? Like the trend is healthy. It still looks pretty good. I want to look at silver, though. I don't want to. Silver is where we make the bread. Silver is where the money is made. So I don't want to neglect silver too much. I want to make sure. Yeah, silver is cooking. Cooking. $288. Honestly, this might be really dumb, but I'm gonna leave it at the 1 minute 20. Who cares? It's just it's the first trade. This is a critical level. I might give a lot back here, but is what it is. We're going to use that 1 minute 20, guys, because we might add in right here. We might add in here. It's sketchy, but I think we can make it down to this target. So I want to see us wick into the 1 minute. That's really not wicking. Didn't touch it. I want to see it touch it, and I'll look to add into this position. Even though the 1 hour is horrible, the 5 minutes horrible. But once again, we're just playing aggressiveness. We're playing. All right, I hopped in one more, and I'm going to pull that stop right above it. Let's see what we get. If we get wicked out, we get wicked out. That is what it is. See, we're coming into that AOV there on the 5 minute. It's a touchy one. It's touchy. It's touchy. And we're just so extended on 5 minute, but you know what? Let's see what we get here. We didn't really even wick into it. So not the best play, but let's see what we get. We're just flipping coins, right? That's all we could do. We just flipping them. Flipping. And down here, I'm going to go limit buy, right? I'm going to put a buy like right here. Oh, yeah. I don't like it. I don't like it, mate. I don't like it, but let's see what we get. Oh, we're at that level. We're at that key level, guys. We're at that key level. I'm also watching silver just on my phone. That's what I'm hoping, Todd. Oh, look at it go. Flip it. I could put my stop right here. Right? Let's decisions. Yeah, it's touchy. So I'm bumping my stop just a little because we got this. Let's see. We're about to figure it out now. I'm gonna risk 100 on it. Let's see what we get. 108. Looking for this 1 minute to hold. If this 1 minute holds, we're coming into that 5 minute AOV. It's the reason why I don't love the trade is because we're so extended from the 20 on larger time frames. As you see, we're whipping up a lot of strength, but sellers are going to push. Come on. Hold it. That 20 is holding. So I'm looking for it to continue to hold. Can you hold, mate? Yes. Yeah, look, that's such a retarded short play. Oh, it's bad. That's okay. That's all right. We wanted to wet the beak. We wetted the beak. We got stomped. And let's go on to the next. All right, on to the next. Ooh, ready? Let's go to the moneymaker. Silver. Oh my God. Look at silver coming into the AOV right here. Okay. We're coming into the AOV. Coming into the 20. All right. So green bar ignored. We're at the 20. Let's see. Oh, and that 1 hour trend starting to catch up a little bit. A little bit. The only thing about silver I don't like for shorts is this. Okay. It's a lot of demand, right? That's a lot of demand down there. Let's see what the market gives us. Hopefully everybody had a good day. Price action today wasn't we had a couple really good trades on silver. If I back out, I'll show you. Oh, hold on. This is important, guys. I want to watch this. This is actually very important right here. All right. Very large green candle just came into the market, creating a pocket. All right. This is a pocket right here. But that's we came right into 64.04. This is a key level. It's a key level at 64.04. I think we might be able to get a move down. Oh, shoot. All right, micro silver. I'm going to try this short. And we're going to look for a little play to fill this pocket. All right. Super short, super tight. It's a dicey move. It's dicey. But sometimes it just be like that. I'm fighting a lot of buyers right here. But come on, 20. Come on, 20. Yeah. All right. I got to chill out a little bit. Love. Just friggin' chill out. Look it. I should have kept it above that. I should have kept my stop above this AOV right here. That's okay. Stay patient. Breathe. Yeah, buyers are showing some strength right here. Buyers are definitely showing some strength. Dude, gold. Gold is definitely might be a little bit better here. Hold on. Look at this. Look at this strong buying. Very strong buying here on gold. So I want to make sure. I'm going to watch this guy. Silver is starting to bounce right into. Yeah, that was just a strong push by buyers. All right, so we're coming right in the 5 minute here. We're gonna trade gold right now. Let's stay on gold for a little bit. I gotta get warmed up. Once I start getting warmed up, it's over. All right, so we got this AOV on gold. We're coming into the 5 minute 20. Let's get this money. Watching this. I don't necessarily just want to hop in a short. So I just wanna right off the 5 minute 20 right there too. We got a minute left on this 5 minute candle. Silver just showed a lot of strength to the upside. Let's you know what? I'm gonna do this. Let me pull out my thinkorswim. Let's check out ES as well. Dude, look at gold. I'm not chasing it though. Not chasing it. There's a lot of buyers that showed up. ES here, we got a shift in structure. right? So it makes a little sense if buyers show a little strength here. But that 1 hour, we've come right into it. Come right into it. NQ as well. Oh, dude, NQ. Okay. Strong. That's looking like a strong V reversal though, in a way. So just stay a little patient. I think buyers might end up shifting these conditions here. So let's just stay a little patient. Oh my god, I'm extremely freaking sore. Yeah, see? Look at these buyers. NQ. Gold couldn't break it. Hold on. So let me just show you guys what I'm looking at here. So when I get into a trade, I'm looking at the risk. That's my first thing. I'm going, all right, where's my risk at? That's why you see me take these plays off moving averages as tight as I do, right? Because if I hop into a short on gold, look where my risk is. It's right above that wick. Now, I'm not saying hopping short. That 1 hour is still a little high. I think we might come back up here. But the trades that I'm always looking to take are going to have the tiniest amount of risk, right? I want the least amount of risk on my trade. That way I don't need the highest win rate. And the lower the risk, the more money you make too. Look at this on gold is definitely fighting that 20. Couldn't close. That 1 hour is cooking up too. We got gold here. We're gonna hop into gold. Just one. Just one. Just one. Come on. Let's see what we get. Let's just see what we get, man. Let's just see what we get. Once again, playing off the 5-minute 20. Then I'm automatically going to drop down lower time frame. I'm watching this 2-minute 20. I got to break that 2-minute 20. Otherwise, I don't want to stay in this. If we come into that 2-minute 20 right here and we can't break it, I'm not staying in this. You see how trading off moving averages, though, like they give me that, right? They help me. They give me that tiny risk. Now look, I'm risking $80, $100 on this trade. See if I can get a move back down to the downside, right? So I'm always looking to trade the least amount of risk as possible. Now, if buyers are strong, they might take this 20. So I'm just watching. I also like how low that 9 is. All right, yeah, see, we come up into the 20 there. Now, if this candle, it's got a minute left, I want to see this break that. I'm going to keep my stop right above the previous 2-minute candle. And let's see if sellers can push here. Let's see. Let's see. Strong push off that 20. Strong push. Keep it a little above. Yeah, not liking that. Not liking it, but let's see. Let's see. Yeah, that's a perfect bounce off the 20. So far, 6 seconds left. Yeah, it's ugly. It's not ideal for my situation. It's not ideal. Put the stop. There we go, right there. Let's see what we get. Yeah, it's a clean bounce off that 20. It's not looking good. But let's see. It still hasn't. It's fighting that 5-minute 20. $20 left on this candle. I'm not in the AOV either, so it makes sense why I got stomped out. All right, I gotta take a leak. I'm gonna be right back. All right, buyers. All right, buyers, you want to play? You know what? Another thing, too, that you really got to be aware of, which I lacked to do, is just because we're selling off a lot doesn't mean it's going to continue selling. That's a clean bounce right there off the 2-minute 20. Buyers are definitely showing a little bit of strength. Now watch them push out of the AOV. So I deserve to lose money there because I didn't wait for the AOV. Now we're retesting the AOV. Let's see what sellers do. I'm going to hold off for a second. Gotta slow it down. Sometimes, it's night. You get excited. You gotta be able to calm down, slow down. Trade the strategy. Strong push. This candle right here is very bullish. It's very, very bullish. Wick right into it, but we're fighting an AOV right here. Maybe even that 1 hour. Look. Yeah, we got a little space. Shoot, by the way, I'm in the zone, by the way. Get him going, by the way. That's the retest right there. That's the retest. Let's look at NQ. Let's look at NQ. Need a pair of shoes. All right, so on NQ, we could easily come back up here. Yeah, so YouTube sent me an email and was like, they shut my video down from yesterday because I had Limp Bizkit on. So I got the AirPod in. They're like, yo, you can't play, you don't have copyright to that music, so you can't bump it. I'm like, dude, you guys are crazy. All right, I'm watching gold. Buyers showing strength, but we really don't have any structure on the way up. No structure on the way up. So we're retesting the top and we're retesting the 1 hour. This is starting to look a little bit better. This is probably a little bit better of a short play. I'm not going to get in it yet. All right. I don't want to keep firing off. Yesterday, it's like anytime, you guys probably know this too, right? Like when you have really good days, you get on these good streaks, I got to like pull back a little because I find myself Look at that. Look at that. Sellers responding well there, but I still don't think buyers are done, right? We closed right above the 20 right there. I think buyers aren't. I think they're gonna battle a little bit. Honestly, I'm still leaning more towards sellers because the 1 hour, you see that 1 hour. I'm going to try one. Okay. I'm going to try one. I'm going to try one. And we're going to play this AOV. And I'm looking for a little scalp. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. That 5 minute, that 2 minute five's holding wicked good though. Stupid trade. Stupid trade by me. And I got to put it above the AOV. I got to keep my stop above the AOV because that's what I'm playing. I want to see sellers hold this. So let's see. I'm in it. I got to commit to it now. Definitely should have waited a little bit on that. That's all right. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. I think that 1 hour, the main reason I took this is because this 1 hour, we're bumping into it. Buyers are being relentless as hell. But we're bumping into that 1 hour right there. And I'm looking to continue playing this 1 hour trend to the downside. We're in an AOV. Once again, low size. So let's see. But I don't like my execution on that. I'm not going to lie. Don't like my execution on that. But all right, so ready? Let's see. That it's just buyers keep holding this 5. It's aggressive buying. We come into the 5, they hold it. So now I'm at the mercy of the AOV. Let's see. Maybe she'll hold for me. Ooh. If I get clipped on this one, once again, it's I have to look at, why I got in, and it was literally just because we were bouncing into the 1 hour trend. That's not that good a criteria. So that's on me. That's not good trading. But we're in it, so we're going to commit to it and see if sellers can hold it. Let's see. I think buyers are showing a lot of strength down here. We got a heavy sell-off. So it's super dicey. Let's see. The power of the AOV, though. Look at the battle here. Yeah, it's kind of clear. Whew. Yeah, that's. It's gonna clip me. It's looking for liquidity. It's looking for. Oh my lord. Oh my god. It's definitely searching for liquidity, and it almost ganked me. It was close. Still might. Look at that. All right, so we got to break a moving average, though. Like, we need to close below what. See, and that's probably how I could have played that better. I could have definitely played that better by at least waiting. Like, when you're playing these lower time frames, you want to see a moving average break before you hop in. I'm going to put it right there. If you want to see us at least close below a moving average. That way it's getting weak. Yep, clipped. Once again, don't fight a moving average. All right. moving average cross. I think now we could probably come to the conclusion that buyers are pretty strong. Friggin' retard. You got to be able to laugh at yourself in this game. Like, that's a must. You got to. You got to just be able to laugh at yourself. Silver still pushing. Silver's pushing up, probably back up to 70. Let's zoom out, right? Let's do some analysis real quick here. So I got gold on the left. NQ is honestly looking like a valid. I'm gonna stay patient though. Staying patient. We're bouncing off that 2-minute 20, but NQ is coming right into that 1 hour trend. So I want to stay a little patient here on NQ. We came into that 1 hour trend. We're starting to get a little bit of selling. Let's map some pit numbers here so we can get a little better story of what we're doing before we just, rifle off into things. And make sure you don't feel rushed, man. You gotta stay calm. You gotta stay calm. Stay calm. All right, here's our pit numbers on gold. 2-minute 20 here on NQ. What we got? What we got? What we got, love? What we got, love? All right. Look, gold grabbed my liquidity and started swinging. Good. I didn't deserve to make money on that trade. I didn't. You gotta be careful how you make money in this game, because you start thinking it's okay. You can't be making bad decisions. You can't. I mean, it's okay to get lucky. I don't know, actually. Every time I've gotten lucky in my life, it turns out to pay. It costs more than it rewards me. All right, watching gold. Getting a nice little moving average cross. I'm still not convinced that buyers got it, and that might be a problem. But let's see. We got PDL. We could get a push up here on gold to PDL. I mean, look at that V reversal here. Yeah, NQ's having some issues right here. That's for sure. What's ES doing? We might be getting HPT cross criteria to the upside on gold. NQ, it's looking a little weak. ES, it's looking a little weak. That 1 hour is a wall right here. It's the 1 hour versus the 20 right now. Oh, that's why, guys. This is key. It's a key level right here. I don't know what happened. That's a key level here on SPY. And we're right at it. No, we're below it. We're below that. Now we're coming into this. All right, look at gold. That's a GBI on gold. Okay, good. That's what I like. That's what I want to see. And silver. All right, so sellers are starting to respond. Let's see how we want to play this. So basically, buyers shot up into the 1 hour trend, shot up in the previous day low. And so basically, I want to watch ES. I got silver on my phone. So we're watching silver. We're watching ES. ES has got this really key level right here. Really key level right here. All right, here we go. Now we're vibing. We're vibing. Look at gold. Strong push. But we at least broke that 5. Buyer's not playing, though. Oh, look. That's an RBI. Strong RBI. That's an RBI right there. I want to stay a little patient because that 1 hour trend. Yeah, ES is looking a little sketch. Gold, rip into it. Let's see. Because it couldn't break. So there's a GBI and an RBI. But I'm not going to lie to you. I'm leaning more to the sell side right now. The overall market's selling off. I like ES here, but we're at that 2-minute 20. We're at that 2-minute 20. We're at that 2-minute 20. This is a key level here, though, on ES, 67.70. So it's patient time. It's just stay patient. Stay patient. If it ain't looking clear, chill the hell out. And that's, it's all of our issue, right? We just got to calm down, right? Like sometimes in lives, like trading on YouTube and stuff, it's very easy to, first couple times you get these great long trades. You want to make sure that, your expectations are correct, right? We're only as good as the market we trade in, and we're only as good as our ability to follow our strategy. So for me to flip that coin, my strategy's got to be present. All right. So that means I'm staying patient right now. Patience. I like us at the 1 hour trend, but I got to stay patient. There's no AOV. We do have this little guy right here. This little GBI. And we're retesting it. Ooh, look at gold. I like it short. I like gold short. I'm not going to lie. I like it. I like it a lot, love. I like it a lot. But there's just not enough for me yet. There's not enough. Patience. In this level on SPY, do not for a second. This is actually looking long on SPY. We got, we're coming into a key. You see this green bar ignored? We just broke bearish structure. I'm watching this, honestly. This might be a hell of a long play, but it really could go either way. So that 1 hour trend is healthy. So typically a healthy 1 hour trend, that thing can keep going down. So it can go both ways. We're staying patient. We're staying patient. What's silver doing? Oh my God. My stomach is wrecked. All right, let's see. Coming into that. Let's see. Gold. I mean, it's still healthy. Let's see if this RBI can hold. That's how I'm going to look at it. Red bar, ignored. Let's see if it can hold, because this is HPT cross criteria to the upside. Ooh, look at ES, right? That's literally what we just say. Let's see. Oh, there's the sellers. All right, if we hold the 2-minute 20, I'm going to take a long. on gold because that is my criteria. Man, my stomach. Man. Yeah, it's pretty much that 1 hour trend. It might prove to be dominant, and we're about to find out. Right? You see this? Buyers trying here on ES, but that 1 hour trend is pushing. I'm watching how price respects that low. RBI, 2-minute 20. RBI, 2-minute 20. So fresh, so clean. Yeah, silver looks nasty right now. All right, ES showing some strength. Oh, guys. Okay, hold on. Silver is nasty. Look. Hold on. We got something that we got to watch here on silver. All right, let's just focus on on gold and silver right now. We gonna tag it? We might not. This is a mega battle right here. Gold, the 1 hour versus break of structure here to the upside. You guys see the buyers on silver right now? We're right off the 5-minute 20. But you see, we're coming in that 1 hour and sellers are trying. So what's the 1 hour story telling me? It's bearish, but we came into a key resistance, or support. If we get above the open here at 70, this thing can come right back up. You got that big thing. It's battling. It's battle time. They're just battling. No rush. They just battling. I honestly, I'm not gonna lie. I'm leaning a little bit more to the downside. NQ got the juice, Todd. What you doing on NQ? I need some juice in my life right now. Oh, my boy's hitting that 2-minute 20, huh? All right, Asian Open in 3 minutes. Thanks, T. All right, 3-minute break. Yeah, NQ's holding that 2-minute 20, T. What we got? 2 minutes. Let me plug in my computer. Look at that juice on NQ off the 2-minute 20. It's a great play, Todd. I love how you use them moving averages. Like, you don't let other things affect it. My boy plays off the moving average at all times. All right, buyers, what you got? 2 minutes here. Top of the hour. Top of the hour's coming. Let's see. Let's see what we get. Clean move on NQT. Very clean. Look at that. Right at the key target. All right, let's get this money. Clean. Look at that, T. Great move, bro. That's an RBI on silver. now. Oh boy. Look at that. Valid move right there, T. Bam! Off 2:20. Perfect. All right, I'm watching this AOV. And I friggin' missed it. Hey, look at the 2:20 on silver. All right. Let's get this money. 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. Gold, baby. Coming right into that 2:20. Look at that. Look at that. Inside the RBI. But we want to see who holds this. Potential long play if it gives it to me. I'm still watching silver. Look at that bounce. Let's see here. Bouncing, 2:20. If we hold this, I'll take a small position. Because them buyers at the low were strong. Sellers showing a lot of strength right here. That's why we wait for the candle to close. Okay? That's why we wait for the candle to close. Look at NQ, though. My boy Todd is rolling right now. Asian persuasion, high and tight. Oh, man. I'm watching silver, too. Silver, gold. Gold, way more bearish. Way more bearish on gold. Way more bearish on gold right here. NQ, ripping. Silver, showing strength. Gold, bearish, baby. That's a GBI right there. Look at that on gold, bro. People are avoiding gold right now. Yeah, we're getting some selling pressure. That's what I like, though. Look at this volume. All right, let's see what we get. 2:20 on silver. If we hold that, I'm not gonna lie to you. I might engage. Look at gold right here, bro. Yo, babe, your mom's calling me. Dude, all right, I'm watching silver. I know it's dicey. It's dicey, but if buyers hold it, I'm taking it. I might not get it. It might not even give me a good entry. See, and look at that 2:20. You gotta watch that. Look at that. Hey Siri, text Tanya. I'm right in the middle of a live. Can I call you back? Question mark. And it's right off the change of structure. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's a lot of risk. It's too much risk. Sometimes just be like that, guys. I got to hold off on that long. That's a large 2 minute. Maybe it'll suck down a little bit. All right, clean bounce off the 2:20 right there. Look at that. Look at that candle. This is trading right here. Weighing your options. Patient. Staying patient. Give me a pullback. Give me a pullback. Yeah, it's not going to give it to me. All right, we got an A. Oh my God, there it goes. We got an AOV right here. Ugh. She got away from me. She got away from me. It's okay because I understand the story. Look, we're coming. Oh, dude, look at silver right here. We are coming into PDL. Be careful. Watch yourself. Do not long into that. That's why pit numbers are so important, guys. Very important. Okay. Very, very important. Look at that. Rally right into resistance. Now, if we get above PDL, this thing's going to rip. So how do I know if we get above it? We play the moving average. All right. Let's see if we can get like something off a lower time frame because risk is just a little hard. And this volume is crazy. Look at that on gold. Massive fake out to the downside. Once again, that's why you don't chase. We actually held the 5-minute 20. That's crazy. We're fighting that 1 hour, though. Right in the PDL. I'm telling y'all. It's going to be a battle, baby. It's going to be a battle. Look at that bounce off the 20. Bam! I love seeing it. Love it. I just don't like that red candle. Bro, if buyers get above PDL, this thing's going to rip. Look at that 5-minute trend. It can happen. That 1 hour is telling me it won't, though. Let's see. We got crazy volume, so you can't assume anything. Sellers defending that 1 hour on gold. It's just a regular battle. It's a little regular battle here on gold. Buyers could take it. They keep holding that 5, that 20. I don't know. I think buyers are they're trying. Still just really nothing for me to get in. There was a couple good plays, missed them. You're going to miss them. So all you could do is just keep flipping that coin. Just keep flipping the coin, baby. Watching these sellers a little bit. Look at that off PDL, dude. To a damn T. All right, now we're coming. I'm watching the 2-minute 20 on silver. Watching it. It's retesting an AOV. So we're at 69. Okay. Let's see. All right. Staying patient. Patience. Right in the PDL, my love. Look at that. Bomb. Oh, and we got that guy. That's a big red candle, but it means nothing to me. We can go like this. Oh, yeah, I'm watching that too. Watch the 20. 2-minute 20. I'll play a little pop-up. Defend. Potentially. Might not get it. That 1 hour is still trending down a little bit. How about Bitcoin? Bitcoin is shitting the bed. Everyone's like, Jeffrey Epstein created Bitcoin. I'm like, dude, y'all are like, he was trying to get in on it in the beginning. He probably was involved a little bit. That's this is what it is. It's still opportunity. That's how I look at it, at least. Who cares? Even though that dude was a mega piece of dirt. I don't care if he made a light bulb, though. I'm still gonna turn on the lights. You know what I'm saying? We gotta get paid. Bill's gotta get paid over here, man. Groceries, all that. I ain't got time to be mad at people. Even though, like, you know what I mean. I don't got time to not take advantage of opportunity. Because at the end of the day, that's what it's all about, baby. Opportunity. He's burning in hell. Simple. All right, staying patient. I got like 15 more minutes. Let's see if we can get a trade. Then I gotta go cook some dinner. Tonight I'm making rice, chicken, right? And so I cook the chicken, paprika, rotel. Then I cook rice, Mexican style rice. Then I throw cheese sauce in it. It's amazing. Cheese, you know I'll be. Is that you, baby? Smoked brisket. Helicopter tech. Quick question. Are you in Texas? Because Texas got some amazing brisket. Smoked brisket? Oh, it sounds so damn good. When I was down in Texas, I had me some brisket. It is phenomenal. Texas, I called it. Y'all are absolute savages with the brisket. I go down there. Got some family down there. Next time I'm in Texas, I'm going to let you guys know. Texas Hill Country. Yeah, so I went down to Fort Worth. That's where I got this hat, actually. Fort Worth, Texas. Stockyards. Shout out to all my Texans. Yo, you know what I love about Texas? The people in Texas are just genuinely great people. Like, just good people. Like, respectful. Up here in New York, just people are just miserable. Miserables everywhere. Bad. Bad. NQ, bro. NQ. Todd, you see NQ? You see NQ might be shifting. Gold and silver is not. Buyers are not letting go. I wanted to play up in the PDL, but these buyers are so aggressive. If I'm not playing out of this box, I ain't playing. Right? If I'm not getting anything here, I'm super patient. It is. I mean, it's not if we wanted to long on silver, stop right below the previous 2 minute. Not a bad move. Let's talk about it. Let's see it. Let's see. I mean, the 5 minute trend's holding. Look how aggressive these buyers are. Hold, 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 holding that 5 minute EMA. I'm holding off on it. The 1 hour trend's trending down. This is chop. No opportunity for me. Technically, though, this is our 3-step approach. And if anybody wants a, yeah, I'm watching NQ too, Todd. Let's look at NQ actually. Yeah, in about like 10 minutes. It's not going to take long. Your mom called me. Are you kidding me? Why'd she call me? Their house caught on fire? Yeah. Why? Is it burning?
Some electrical. No, they put it. It's good. It got put out. I guess there was some. They think because there was some fire, like it was like fire retardant, like powder stuff that Jaden, I guess, had or something.
That's
I don't know, near it must have stopped it. But the firefighters, I guess, were insanely shocked that it didn't melt the whole house down.
Oh my god!
The dryer area. That's all.
Because all that electrical's right there.
You want to know why it started? They won't admit it, but it was dirty.
Dirty, yeah. They probably didn't clean it.
Well, Mary.
All right, guys. We're coming here into the AOV, but we didn't respect the 20. That's crazy. Dad, you got to clean that. You know what I'm talking about? You have to take the lid out.
No, it wasn't that. It was something behind it, electrical or something.
Damn. Thank God they're okay.
Yeah, I'm glad the animals are okay too. I guess the number's covered in soot.
All right. So sellers are showing a lot of strength here, guys. I'm watching. You know what? I'm watching this retest though. We might get a pop right here, Chenny. We might get a pop. All right, guys. My good luck charms here. We gotta make some money, so we called in reinforcements. You can go watch the movie.
I watched it 3 times.
You could probably recite the whole thing.
Starts off with Alpha Puppy.
Is that why my Wi-Fi is going slow?
All
right. Stop. I know. It's
Can
bad.
I get my dog?
Yeah, go.
What, Mama?
All right, so sellers are showing a lot of strength, guys. I'm staying a little patient. I think this 5 minute. I tell you what, though, if this moving average holds, I'm gonna take a pop up into the highs. We got 17 seconds left. My
Can I have your phone?
Yeah.
I'm not even using it.
yeah,
You're just looking at the same chart.
different chart. All right, I'm trying something here. Hold on, Jen. Hold on, baby. Hold on. So we're trying to play along here. I want to give it a little bit below. Hit me. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. Here, take the phone. Take it. Take it.
Thank you.
Take it.
Oh.
It's so damn frustrating. This might be chopped, guys. I might be done. Might be chopped. Watch this candle hold it. This is how it is playing silver. Shit hurts you. It hurts you. When it's good, it's freaking great. When it ain't good, it's shit costs. Oh, I held that too. It's just the 20's getting flat. 20's getting flat. It's battling. Quick loss though. You know what? At least I executed it flawlessly. Yeah, but look, it's all slow and shit. Where's my Asian persuasions at? NQ, possible short play coming up. I like the 1 hour trend to the downside. I'm going to step away from silver. Yeah, that wasn't. You know what? You can always find something wrong. So you know what? Just take it in stride. Move on to the next. Let's see if we can get a retest up here at this AOV for shorts on gold. Watching shorts on gold out of the AOV. We ain't gonna get it. She's moving too quick on me today. She's moving quick. NQ's at a key level. If we can get something off the 20, I might trade something on NQ. I like that 1 hour trend to the downside. Yeah, gold's sinking. Let's see what happens here at this retest of this trend. My webcam's acting all retarded. It's a rough night over here. It's a rough one. See this bounce here, though, off the trend? Sellers take this, though. We're probably going to go back into the lows. Most important part about trading, in my opinion, it's not about winning. It's about how you lose. It's about how you lose and being able to stand on it. That's the most important part, in my opinion. Anybody can make money. You got to get really good at losing and understanding when things are right and when they're not. NQ is not right. I just don't like playing around that key level. Gold gave us a great moving average cross, GBI. Just wasn't really able to get a good short entry, and that might change in the next couple minutes here. So let's just stay a little patient. We might get something. Might get something. Webcam's acting. I wish there was a simple way to fix this. 2-minute 20 on NQ. What's the 5-minute doing on NQ? Oh, it's a dicey level right there on NQ. Yeah, gold. Let's see here. No, we want 18 seconds left on NQ. Oh, this is a key this is a key level right here on NQ. See if we can get a little pull up. That 1 hour trend it's bearish. It's pretty bearish. I don't want to rush into it. I'd like at least a little pullback up into it. Look at that right off that 1-minute 20 EMA. See, we didn't rush gold, and I'm glad I didn't. Right? It's important not to rush your and like. Don't get me wrong, right? Like it's very easy though to get hyper focused into things, and then you start rushing things. And next thing you know, you're getting hurt, right? Which has kind of been the theme for me tonight. So I want to make sure I'm not rushing, right? Like just because there's a little red at a trend line. Same with NQ. I don't want to rush it. I want to stay patient. This is actually exactly what I was looking for on NQ. What's the 1 hour telling us on NQ? Super bearish. We're just at a super key level. I'm watching gold. If we can respect the 2-minute 20 on gold, I'll take a stab at shorts. Because it's retesting the GBI. The 1 hour trend is bearish. All right. Let's see gold. Let's go micro gold. We're going to stick with gold. And let's see. We're retesting it. We got 22 seconds left on this candle. I will take a stab if it respects it. I think we can go a little bit lower. 8 seconds. We got to respect it. How's it going to close? How's it going to close? Close. Boom. I'm in it. 2 contracts. Great fill. Let's see if we can get the lows. Let's see. That is the strategy. Let's grab this guy. Short. Look at the risk here. Very tight risk. Great reward. Let's go. See what we get. See what we get. If she holds, great. If not, we live to trade another day. Very nice. Very nice move. Let's see. See if we can continue here. Risking 200 to make 1,000. That's a 1-to-5 risk-reward ratio. Risking 2 to make 1,000. You flip the coin enough, this works for you. Come on, gold. Speak to me. This is the strategy. This is what we trade every single day inside our Discord. This is how I try to navigate the market. Look at that. Look at that push off the 20. It's freaking so damn beautiful. Let's see if it can hold, though. This trend is a little dicey. She dicey, baby. She a little dicey. Listen. she clips me, I'm gonna go eat a great dinner. And you know what's crazy as a trader? We just put so much damn pressure on ourselves, and it's the reality of the situation. At the end of the day, I find I'm only as good as my ability to trade a strategy. Because if I trade a strategy, look at what I get. Look at this. Perfect. Right? These are the trades I want to be taking. So it's not a matter of how good my strategy is. It's a matter of how much flipping the coin when the odds are in my favor I could do. Let's see if this bad boy can hold. Oh, I like it. I like it. It's exactly what I like seeing. Obviously, I want to see this continue. It may happen, may not happen. Either way, we eating chicken and rice tonight. Chicken and rice, cheesy sauce. I like us below the 5-minute 9. Look at how sellers are trying to defend that. Sellers are coming in. They're trying to defend that 9. We need them to hold it. We need them to hold it. If we respect the 2-minute 20, I might put one more on. Because, I'm a degenerate. Maybe. It's dicey. NQ's shifting. What we got? Oh, man, that is ugly. Gonna tag the AOV. That is dicey right there. And it's at the 5-minute 20. It's dicey. It is dicey, but we're going to stick to the strategy here. We're going to stick to it. Let's see if it can hold. I don't like that buyers keep defending this trend. Don't. I don't like how, well, you know what? It is what it is. Don't matter what I like. Flipping coins, baby. Come on. And the AOV. All right, guys. I'm going to eat. It's just, struggle night. You don't want to put yourself too over the edge here. When the market's just, it is what it is, right? We pulled some triggers, maybe some that we shouldn't have. I'm going to do some deep diving into that in my trading. Honestly, this is one of my favorite trades. I take this 100 times over all day in America. So I love you guys. I really appreciate y'all coming and supporting us. We're trading live tomorrow in New York session. Anybody that wants to be involved with that, make sure you're with us. And all right, go. And go spend some time with your family, guys. I love you. Be safe. I'll see you guys tomorrow.